Colorfill Air Filters uses technology developed for NASA to improve the air quality in spacesuits. The filters are treated with a coating that produces a permanent electrostatic charge to help trap airborne particles. The coating also binds and neutralizes chemicals and odors like the ammonia odor from litter boxes or pet cages. One of the main ingredients is citric acid, a non-toxic chemical found in fruit. The filters come in a variety of sizes in 1-inch, 4-inch, and 5-inch thicknesses. The filters are MERV 8, which is a good rating for improving air quality without restricting airflow too much. A MERV 8 filter is the default filter included in many HVAC systems. It will reduce pollen, dust, mold spores, lint, pet dander, and other airborne pollutants. The filters have a color-shifting technology, so you can easily tell when they should be replaced. The color changes from pink to orange to yellow as it traps chemicals and particles from the air.